Have you ever felt buried under countless emails? You're not alone. Email marketing can be overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be. With the right tips, you can create campaigns that stand out and engage your audience. Email marketing involves sending targeted messages to customers. The goal? To convert leads into loyal customers. A successful campaign can drive sales and build strong relationships. Let's break it down step by step. First, understand your audience. Who are they? What do they want? Use surveys or social media polls to gather insights. This information shapes your messaging. Next, create a compelling subject line. It's the first thing recipients see. Make it catchy yet informative. For example, unlock exclusive deals just for you, sparks curiosity. Now, focus on your email's design. Keep it simple, mobile-friendly, and visually appealing. Use clear images and bullet points for easy reading. A cluttered email can lead to quick exits. Then, personalize your content. Use subscriber names and tailor messages based on their preferences. Personalized emails have higher open rates and engagement. After that, include a strong call to action. What do you want readers to do? Whether it's making a purchase or reading a blog post, guide them clearly. Don't forget to test your campaign. Send test emails to check formatting and links. Monitor open rates and click-through rates. Adjust your strategies accordingly. As an example, consider a clothing brand. They create segmented lists: new customers, loyal buyers, and seasonal shoppers. Each group receives customized promotions based on their shopping behavior. In summary, mastering email marketing requires understanding your audience, crafting catchy subject lines, and personalizing content. Test your strategies and always include a clear call to action. Ready to take your email marketing to the next level? Start implementing these tips today. Subscribe for more insights and transform your campaigns. Your audience is waiting.